Pearson Test of English. This is one such exam which can open lot of doors, lot of opportunities for you around the globe, and getting a good score is the first step towards that. So today I'll guide you and give you tips and tricks on how to get a score of 80 and above in your PT exam. And those who are first time watching, hi everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kapoor and I'm your English mentor. So let's get started. The first step towards cracking any exam is to understand the structure. So let's talk about what is the structure of the PT exam. Now PT exam is divided into three main sections: speaking and writing, reading and listening. So these are the three main sections and you should understand each and everything about these three sections. Starting with the speaking and writing section, it takes about 77 to 93 minutes and include tasks like read aloud, repeat sentences, describe image, retell lecture and essay writing. So these are the main questions which you should know everything about. Second is the reading section, which lasts about 32 to 40 minutes and it involves multiple choice questions, reorder paragraphs and fill in the blanks. And finally the listening section, which takes about 45 to 57 minutes and include tasks like summarizing spoken text, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks and highlight correct summary. So these are the questions which you should know everything about before going for the tips and tricks. So let's talk about the general tips. The first is know the format of the exam. So you should be aware about what are the different sections and how many types of questions are there, and you should know each and everything about all the question types. Secondly, you should be consistent in your practice. Practice regularly and also from the official papers and from the genuine material, and give the mock tests on a weekly basis. And third, you should work on the feedback of the teachers. Ask your teachers what are your weak areas and work on that. And continuously practice to improve your weak areas. So that way these three tips will help you to elevate your PT score. Now let's discuss what are the tips for section wise improvement. So first section we are talking about is speaking and writing section. We'll see what tips are required. Now in the speaking and writing, you have questions like repeat sentences and describe the image. You need to focus on the main ideas and practice with multiple images and multiple questions so that you can improve with time. Secondly, you can improve on your essay writing by writing essays on the most important topics that you get in the past PT exams. And if you're talking about the essays, you should have a very clear introduction, very clear body and very clear conclusion. And also work on your grammar, coherence and vocabulary. So these are the baselines of all the question types. Talking about the reading section, you will get questions on reading where you'll get the paragraphs and you need to know the gist of the paragraph. So for that you need to practice skimming and scanning technique. That is the most important technique that is also used in the IELTS exam, but in the PT exam it is comparatively easier to implement because the paragraphs are smaller. And understand the context of the passage to choose the correct words in the fill in the blanks. For reordering questions, you need to understand the logical flow and coherence, that how the connectors are being used, which connector can be used in which place. So this can also be understood with more of the practice. For the listening question, it is very important that you understand the importance of note taking. Start taking smaller notes while listening and note down the keywords. That way also you will be able to find out the answers. And practice distinguishing between the correct and the incorrect summaries. So you have two answers in front of you, one is correct and one is incorrect. Just see and check that the incorrect one, the reason behind that why it is incorrect and what is the reason behind the correct answer. That way you will be able to distinguish that how the questions are being formed and which one will be the right answer next time. And the additional tips are improve on your English skills. That is the base of all these proficiency exams. So you need to improve regularly in your reading, listening, writing and speaking by engaging yourself in the reading activities and by speaking and practice speaking with the fellow speakers or with your teachers in the class. Another most important tip is that practice your tests in the timed conditions. Many a times students start practicing without any time conditions and they see that your answers are correct and they're getting the good scores. But when they have to perform under timed conditions, then they fail in getting the right scores. And the last and the most important tip is use the official and the authentic study material. So that's all for today's video. Hope by following all these tips and tricks you will be able to get a good score in your PT exam. And if you find this video helpful, you can give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.